Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change Discord server name. The advantage of server nicknames is that they allow you to present yourself however you'd like to be known, and the upcoming changes will bring a similar benefit across all servers in the form of display names. When it's your turn to choose your new Discord name, you'll be prompted to do so when you open the app. Discord will suggest a unique username similar to your existing one, but you can customize it. If someone else has already claimed that name, Discord will tell you to try a different variation until you find one that another user hasn't already claimed. No matter what you choose for your username and display name, you can still change your nickname in a specific server. Go to server where you want to change your name. Click or press the three dots or your profile. Then, choose Edit Server Profile in the pop-up menu. If the server has nickname enabled, you can simply click into the server nickname box and type whatever you want to use as your new name. If nicknames are not enabled, you won't be able to type in the box. You can also get an at-a-glance look at your nickname across all the servers you're in. Here's how to check. Go to your Discord profile, choose Profiles, and select Server Profile at the top. It will default to your most recently visited server. Select this one at the top of the menu to pull up the full name of your servers. If you're using a nickname in a server, it will display under the server name. If no name is displayed, that means you're using your normal username in that server. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.